All right, so we working with a live and uncut. And this time, I'm fixing my own patio. Again, the city of Rivera Beach, they done blessed me with my own raised garden bed. So we're gonna put it right here in our patio garden. You see, I just cleared out the space. I still got where I was catching my rain right here. So you see that? Got a rose plant, got a couple bikes to give away. I got this grill here. I got a couple other grills. I'm cleaning off the patio. Another bike. Summertime work. Still working in the garden. You see what's going on? I'll be done in a second. All right. I'm transforming my garden, man. You see, I got everything outside of the patio now. I'm getting ready to go inside. Raised garden bed. Eroadmaps. Appreciate it. Hey, Valika, check out this outside patio garden that's getting ready to come up. I'm telling you, it's the one that you want to see. Hey, I'm not only a teacher, I'm also a client. All right, y'all see in the beginning, man, I'm telling you. So ain't nothing in there, ain't nothing growing. Don't ask me where I get my vegetables from, my fruit from, how they growing the way that they growing. They growing right there. The same way that I put them up, the same way they gonna grow. You could do it, I could do it. Grow something at your crib, man. You do it. You do it. All right, it's still going. We moved inside the patio. I still gotta get rid of the bikes. I got the rose bush right here. Hey, I'm working from the inside out now. So I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, it's a nice little Sunday. Hey, it's game 7 tonight too. So don't worry. We're gonna see who wins. Who you had? Did you have the Pacers? Did you have OKC? I'm gonna let you know. I got OKC tonight. Who you got tonight? That's what I want to know. You got the Pacers? You got OKC? I got OKC. I'm going to let you know. Game 7. It's going down. See y'all later. Patio. Urban Garden. Eroadmaps. Grow something. That's it. That's 2 bags in. That's it. I'm still live and uncut. I got about 5 bags in. I'm still working in my garden. Hey, I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get done. I'm working today. All right. All bags in. At this point, we just got a little bit more to go. I'm gonna move. You see, I put the onions in the ground. I'm still eating off of them 3 years later, man. So again, we got some cut it and come back. That's all we're gonna focus on right now. The patio, you see it. The patio coming together. It's coming together. I put the roses over here this time. So we're gonna move use my water barrels for my garden. You'll see I'm gonna empty this out in a little bit. And before you transplant, the garden needs to be ready. I got a few worms that we put on the inside. Take a look. You see it? Oh yeah, they gotta go in the garden. If you ain't got no worms, you ain't got no garden. All right, it looks like I got it done, man. The garden put together. I did a transplant of my onions and then my Thai chili peppers. I still got my strawberry plants. I'm gonna try to board them around here and then leave a little space for something new to grow. That's what we're gonna do. The patio looks pretty good. I'm happy. I moved the rose bush over there. I think it's a tulip. I don't know. We'll see when it get a little bit bigger. If you know, you let me know. All right. I still got my water right here. I'm out. New garden. All right. That's it. Like I told you, I got it done. I put in a little work. It was a couple hours. I got a little dirty, but that's what it is. Agriculture, nature, outside, mental health. Get your mind right. If your mind ain't right, grow you something. Get your mind right.
phone song, take a ball without the chance to make it at all. Who would have thought's gonna be the one that's making this call? No, help me out, tell me where I went wrong. I'm trying to find out about this path, although it's never been long. I gotta do it for my son's sake, telling me that'll be strong. We gonna make it through these hard times, even though they go and they come. You're absolutely right, but something happened to me on last Tuesday night, as plain as day, man.
Last Saturday night.
No, brave ain't the word I'm looking for, ya. Better make it hope, but nothing seems to matter. That's when, see, everything can go any which way. They got me folks, see, the Henny with the J, front post, chillin'.
Last Saturday night.
Man, I'm happy in my ways,
But it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. And the boys gonna be okay.
Being poor, man. Papa taught me in order to survive free no man. Now we got some running route, henceforth we gon' stand. Profit from a juvenile to a grown man. You gotta take responsibility
for your own man. Zoning, you like some morning, my sunrise, sunshine.
I love to hear my woman moaning.
Again. Damn, I hope you play this song again. So now we act this way, and everyone's gonna be okay, okay.
Came in the game, played, you see. Average man when the rest was ashamed to be. Happy head and all, ain't no change in me. So rough it was, downright wrong. I tell you, nobody never gave us nothing. The tough time, it made us something different. Stretch the road, knew something to see. Every state on the map, a different something to eat. Taps and handshakes, it meant nothing for real. Everybody making the killing, man, showing no feelings. Walking off collective pay is the way of the world. Can't change it, so I guess I'm gonna pray for the world. Sometimes I ask myself, was I made for the world? I scream this to you, and I say to the world, nappy then, nappy now, nappy for knee deep, head over heels in this country.
but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Never know it's gonna be okay. All my life been gold, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Never know it's gonna be okay. Even though I picture better days, I'm thankful for the chance I got to say amen. The Lord done blessed me with his grace. I wish this day would never end. We represent the slum. Where we from, we built it home. Falling short up on these presidents in hard times. Like someone calm song, take a ball without the chance to make it at all. Who would have thought's gonna be the one that's making this call? Lord, help me out, tell me where I went wrong. I'm trying to find out right this path, although it's never been long. I gotta do it for my son's sake, telling me that'll be strong. We gonna make it through these hard times, even though they go and they come. You're absolutely right, but something happened to me on last Tuesday night, as plain as day, man. With this world trade, no, brave ain't the word I'm looking for, ya. Better make it hope when nothing seems to matter. That's when, see, everything can
I'm a colorful, stressing, calm, let's join hands. Got to cope with the pressures of being poor, man. Papa taught me in order to survive for no man. Now we got some running route, henceforth we don't stand. Profit from a juvenile to a grown man. You gotta take responsibility for your own man. Zoning, two blocks of moaning, my sunrise, sometimes I love to hear my woman moaning. It's on again. Damn, I hope you play this song again. The soul cleansing, the melody just ran my engine. Provide a lot of things, but usually just appending my lexicon, searching for Benjamins. On the folks locked in the tenements, and it don't make any sense. Why? Soldiers and citizens broadcasting from the slum. That's why I'm writing these sentences to lower my income. Why? Go ahead, finish it.
but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Now they know it's gonna be okay. All my life been gold.
Wrap it up, wrap it up. We did that. Peace. You gotta take responsibility for your own, man. Oh, that's that O in the background. You gotta leave. Get away somehow. Find me somewhere that I can have a peace of mind. I try to come in town and get my party on. Ain't nobody mad. That's why I gotta leave. I come to the crib to get a peace of mind. All year long. Holla at my homeboys. That's it. EC to Benedict. I'm just trying to get my party on. Y'all know that's it. Anything other than that, you hate.